All right, folks, we're doing another little video here on how forms are put on for foundations. Now, what we're doing here is more of a wing wall type of a thing, but it's a support structure, so it has to be done right. It just can't be forms stuck into the ground. But what you see here is now we're using old wooden forms, you know, actually these are good, clean forms. They look really good. But we have magnesium forms and other ones out there that do great, looks good. But see, I got my footing right here. So this sits on top of my footing. So it's two different pours, great. And then I want to talk about zip ties here, because some people asked me about them last time. So here this is a zip tie. At least that's what we call them here in the part of the country. Hey, let us know on the comments section if you guys call it something else in your area, and if you have any techniques in your part of the country that you do that we're not doing here. Heck, that's how we all learn, right? But anyway, so these hold together and the forms together, so when they pour the concrete it don't open up and bust open. Then you see our steel rebarb, and you got the horizontals. Let me kind of back out here a little bit. Then you got your horizontals rebarb that runs like this, and then you got your vertical rebarb that actually holds it together, that holds the horizontals up. And that's what actually strengthens it and makes it so as that's what gives it its absolute power. Really great. Now you also see that we got some oil on here. Now we talked about that on the other video, but you see the oil on here, and this oil on here is actually that's designed so as that the forms can come off and without tearing up the forms, and also making your forms look and your concrete surfaces look bad. As you can see on other concrete all the way around, they really did a great job, and they're good looking forms. But anyway, I hope it's been educational. This is what it looks like, folks. Now you know. God bless. Hey, hit like and subscribe, follow us. We appreciate it. When you help us, that helps us out. When you help us with this allows us to help other people, and we can get more people to watch and educate more folks so they know what they're looking for. And hey, nothing better than an educated consumer, right? God bless. Thank you, and we appreciate you.